Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Long time now. I know you missed me. So, let us start with our SST class. It's not student sleeping time. It's social studies, okay? So, wake up and we will start with our class. As you all know, we had started with our chapter number 1. India, our country, right? And today we will continue with it, okay? I had given you a homework that you have to list all the 29 states and all the 7 union territories of India. Have you done that? I know you have done. So, today we will see the list of all the states and their capitals, okay? I will go through it quickly. I know you have done your homework, so you have to keep a check on your list as well. So, the states and capitals. Go through this very carefully. I am scrolling it down, okay? Andhra Pradesh, so Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, then this, Assam. See, all the states and all the capitals are listed here, right? And note this thing, this is very important. Like Amravati, it is declared as the capital, okay? But all the working of Andhra Pradesh is done in Hyderabad. Are you clear with this? Note this. Then see the picture of Indian Parliament House, all the states and their capital, right? Then our national flag, the other states, their capitals, our national emblem. Go through it very carefully. You have the whole list in your textbook. Now, our 7 union territories and their capitals, but the whole working of the union territories is undertaken by the central government, means New Delhi, right? The Chief Minister of New Delhi looks after the whole working of the union territories. You remember? Very good. So, you have to go through this list. See the Red Fort, Lal Killa, okay? Now, look at the political map of India. I hope you have gone through it. There were 29 states and 7 union territories. In terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. As in the last class we discussed, right? The 7 northeastern states of India, 7 northeastern states, popularly called the 7 sisters. Note this, students, note this because this will help you, okay? 7 sisters. Now, who all are the 7 sisters? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. They are known as the northeastern 7 sisters of India. Okay? They are very beautiful places. You must go there. India is a huge country. Very huge country and has the 2nd largest population in the world. Note this, students. 2nd largest population in the world. India ranks 2nd in terms of population. Note this. There are more than 1 billion people in India. More than 1 billion people. Note this. People of different caste and religions live together. They speak different languages. We have friends, some are Gujarati, some are Marwadi, some are Bengali, some are, tell more, right? So many languages. So people in India are of different caste, religions and of different languages. They speak different languages and wear different clothes. Right? They have different type of clothes to wear, like The people of Chennai, they wear lungi. And what we wear? What do you wear? Right? So all of them wear different clothes according to the religions. Right? But are bound together by love of their motherland. But we all are together. Right? We all live together with brotherhood, with love. Right? हम झगड़ा करते हैं? नहीं ना. We all are united. We all are together. Okay? So students, here we complete our lesson number 1. Here are some points to remember that you have to make the notes. Okay? India is in Asia. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives are our neighbors. Okay? The southern part of India is a peninsula. You remember the meaning of peninsula? The area, the land which is covered by the 3 sides with water. Okay? Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. Then Indira Point in the Andaman Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the country. See, don't get confused in mainland and southernmost tip. Right? We had discussed in our last class. India is a union of 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory, Delhi. And New Delhi is the capital of India. Are you noting it down? We are going through a small revision. Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area and the smallest one is Goa. See here, area wise Goa is the smallest state. Then 7 northeast sisters. I won't be telling you. मैंने छुपा दिया. Tell me which are the 7 sisters? Okay, note it down and I will ask you in the next class. Okay? Till then, make notes. I will be sending you the question answers in the coming weeks. Okay? So, till then, make notes and be healthy. Eat healthy food. Okay? Bye. God bless you.